Happy June SAT day. This is my first time taking the SAT, but I have taken like 6 practice tests, so I don't feel that nervous. It should be fine. Hey guys, I think my SAT went pretty well. Like, I felt pretty confident on all the questions. Unfortunately, I missed 2 on the reading section. Like, I didn't have enough time to answer them, so I just randomized my answers, just guessed the last 2, but I feel quite confident. I just want to get above a 1500, so we'll see. But I'm really glad that I decided to take it sophomore year. I'm currently a sophomore in high school, so I have more time to retake it if I need to. But I'm about to hop on a call for my high performance student program. Every single week, I host 2 coaching calls where girls can just ask questions about their productivity and self-improvement and about the modules in the program. If you're looking to get 20 hours back in your week as a high school student, just click the link below to book a discovery call with my team to see if you're a good fit for the program, but I don't want to talk about that too much. Coaching call, let's go. Ooh, alarm going off. I don't know about you, but setting alarms is literally my favorite way to do like reminders. In order for me to remember something, I set a ton of alarms and I never delete them. So if you see, I have like so many alarms that are just from 2:50 to like 2:55. I have so many 3 p.m. alarms because every single time I need to remember to do something, I create an alarm and I title it what I need to do. I think this is really beneficial for tasks that are like high urgency. I obviously don't set alarms for everything I need to do in my day, but if it's something where like other people are relying on me, like I want to get yelled at by my phone. Hey guys, I jumped off of my coaching call and now I'm on a call with my friend Elizabeth. It's so cute. We do like a weekly call together and also some study with me's, but Elizabeth is amazing. Yes. She also has a YouTube channel. It's Elizabeth Chu. Definitely go check it out. What's up, Elizabeth?
You're amazing.
How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm good. I love talking to you.
Guys, literally make internet friends right now.
Yes.
I just hopped off some fat calls. They were so good. Elizabeth and I talked about like our life's vision and also just like the distractions that come with trying to hit that. I really challenged Elizabeth on some of the things that she's like doing right now in life, and she's challenged me on some stuff. It's so important to find friends that will challenge you and make sure that you're showing up as your best. Hitting the gym now with your fave sister. Yeah. We're going to hit some arms, but also just do some functional cardio as well.
Yes, Annie girl.
Can't wait to hit the gym, guys. I feel like I've had some limiting beliefs that like I can't like fully dial in on my business while also managing other stuff. I realized like if I just like make myself go to the gym every day, like I can do this, you know? Like I feel like I've been hitting my nutrition goals, but when it comes to exercise, not so much. So my sister Chen definitely feels like more pressure to go to the gym often because of the membership price. But honestly, I pay for just the mental security of knowing I can go to the gym if I wanted to.
Okay, you see, I'm not on a salary, so this membership is expensive.
Chen, you're glowing. That was not planned at all. Oh my gosh, that was so hard. Go off. Hey guys, just bumped into Gabby. She's killing it. Have you been like working out every day? Yeah, since like last summer. On your grind. Yeah, you're so consistent. I want to get better. That was such a killer workout, guys. And it was so fun seeing my friend Gabby. I'm gonna head back inside, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Doing the morning deep work. I have an accountability partner that I do deep work with, and we set a rule that if one of us misses a meeting, we have to pay each other $50 on PayPal. So I think I'll be getting $50 from him today because he didn't show up right at 5 a.m., but we'll see. I'm gonna check in with him right now. Where's my $50? I'm about to film a video, so I'm going to just get ready a little bit to look a little bit more presentable. I honestly feel like my best self would not look like this while I'm doing my deep work, so honestly today I've not been on my top game. It's really important for me to like dress well even at home to reinforce that identity and like who I want to be. I feel like I just like film my life unfiltered as it is, but then when I go back and watch my own videos, I'm like, I look like that in the morning. Okay, it's time to walk my dog, guys. I need to be better at walking Charlie often, and I'm just gonna listen to some podcasts. I want to give you guys some podcast recommendations because a lot of the times I like talk about listening to a podcast, but I don't give you guys recommendations. I don't want to be a gatekeeper. So first off, I love the Ed Milet podcast. That was like the first self-improvement podcast that I really got into. I also really like Manifest by Tori DeSimone. I just feel like she's really relatable to me, and she's also girly because I like self-development podcasts where we're able to also just like talk about like beauty products and stuff. Kind of nice to have that balance. And I am quite cliche that I listen to like the Skinny Confidential sometimes, but I kind of don't like podcasts where they interview guests a lot because sometimes I just like the host, you know, and I don't want to see the guests. Hi, Charlie. I also really like the Girls with Goals podcast. They talk about fitness and also mindset. I just love that stuff. He's so cute. I also really like the Diary of a CEO with Steve Bartlett. He like interviews some really cool, successful people. But I highly recommend podcasts, but even more than podcasts, I recommend audiobooks. I'm currently listening to The Course of Love by Elaine D. Botton. It talks about like a very realistic relationship story of a couple that gets married, there's affairs, there's bad stuff that happens. I honestly really like learning life lessons through fiction books. It's been super cool. Okay, let's go outside now. I realized that today's weather is actually so good, so my sister and I are gonna head to the pool at my gym. Help me pick out my bikini. I think I'm gonna wear a blue one. I got this last summer from I think this is Black Bow or something, but I don't know exactly how I feel about it. I kind of like triangle swimsuits better. This like tropical top is one that I thrifted, so I unfortunately don't have the matching bottoms, so I'm just gonna wear some plain black bottoms. Currently reading my ebook as I wait for my sister to take me to the gym. Something that I'm really working on in life is learning when to practice passivity. I feel like there's a really negative connotation with like being passive, and people always encourage being more assertive, and I think for the majority of people watching this video, you probably should be more assertive, but I'm naturally quite an assertive person, and sometimes when I am like operating from this assertive state, I bring myself so much more stress. Like I genuinely believe suffering is a choice, and a practical example of this is like 2 months ago, if my sister wasn't out here right now, like we planned to leave for the gym 20 minutes ago, I would have been inside of my house yelling for her to hurry up, making sure that we went because I was so rigid on my own plan. But now I've just learned to be passive. You know, when we're getting delayed, to just go read my book, you know, find something else to use my time for. Because a lot of the times when we fight for other people, when we try to push our way, we really just choose to be miserable. We make ourselves miserable because we can't change the habits of other people. She finally came. I really want to tan my stomach because it's pale. I have a history test this week, so that's what I'm gonna be studying for. Hey guys, so I'm at a country club. I'm like in this sketchy like janitor closet, and I'm gonna take a team meeting that I have for work. It's just that this looks like the most convenient place to like hold this meeting and like private, but this is quite sketchy. I'm just getting creative, you know? They better have Wi-Fi. If they don't have Wi-Fi, I'm literally gonna lose it. Bruh, I don't have their Wi-Fi password. Okay, I got the Wi-Fi password, but my computer got locked in the janitor's closet, guys. I literally don't know what to do because I probably wasn't supposed to be in there, and then now my computer's locked. So the only way I can get my computer is if I admit that I went into that closet. That's so embarrassing, guys. I can't believe this is happening to me. I'm doing the Zoom meeting on my phone.